Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar, so let's get started.
This song is very easy to play. We're just going to use 4 chords. First chord is a D minor to a C, then to an A minor, which you can also do as an A minor 7. So from that C, just take off the ring finger. That's your A minor 7 there, and then to a G. That's a D minor, C, A minor 7, or A minor, and then G. Alright, so for the strum pattern, what you can do is follow the beat of the song. So here's a little example of it. 1, 2, 3. So down right there is just following the beat. Basically what you're doing is doing 3 down strums. So you're also muting the strings down. So it's like quick mute. So and on the last one you let it out, and that's a down up. So another easy way too is just doing the 3 down strums instead of the down up. So okay. If you want to do more of the fuller strum pattern, one that you can use is down, down, up, up, down, down. Down always goes good. So this is more like singing with it. So 1, 2. Pretty much how you play this entire song.
So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.